Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to withdraw money from a Whoop app. So if you use Whoop app and you manage your social media there and you have made money out of it and now you want to withdraw it and don't know how to do it. So don't worry, in this video, I'll show you the easiest way to withdraw money from the Whoop app. So first you have to simply go to your browser and then just simply search for the whoop.com. Once you get there, log in with your account and after that you will be onto its homepage. Once you're there, you have to click on this profile option and after that you have to choose the balance from further options. Now if you have made any money out of this platform, so all the money will appear there and you will be able to withdraw it. But before withdraw, you have to simply add your payout method, and to add a payment method you have to verify your account. So for that you just have to simply verify your account. If you don't know how to do it, then I'll restart the process of the verification to show you how it works. So just simply I'm going to click on the verify and after that it will get reset, and after that I'll show you how easily you can add your payout method. Now once you're onto this page, then you have to click onto this option which is set up Whoop payments. First you have to do it, then you will get this option withdraw. From there you can withdraw the money. So first you have to choose your country of origin where you are a citizen of and then click on next. And then this will just take a while in the loading. Once the loading is done, it will open another tab, and there what you have to do is that you have to add some of the information. First you have to add your email address. Make sure you add the correct one that you're using to create your account on the Whoops. Add the same one. So basically it is using the Stripe payment method to connect it, and you have to select either you are a business or an individual. You can choose as per your preferences. Once you have selected, then it will just take a while and will take you to this next page where you have to add your name, your address, your date of birth, even your national identity card number, which is your ID card or the citizenship number. Just simply add it and all the other details. Then you will get to this page where you have to add your payout. Here you have to add your bank details. Make sure you add the correct one because you will get your withdrawals into that account, and after that it will just take like 2 to 3 hours to verify. Once you get the verified, then this withdraw option will be enabled and from there you have to click onto it and you will get your money into the bank account that you have just added onto that last page. This is actually a one-time process. You only have to verify for once you have verified your account, then you don't have to do it again. You just have to simply click on to withdraw and you will get your amount into that bank account that you have added. Also the verification will take around 2 to 4 hours, and once it is done, then you will be able to withdraw. So that's how you can withdraw money from Whop app. If you follow the instructions that are done into this video, then you will be able to do it. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to do it for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like and a comment as well. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. And thank you so much for watching the video till the very end.